How to get the balanced game. First, download the programs that you need, Utorrent, Daemon Tools Lite, and then download the balanced torrent file. Click Mirror 1 to download Daemon Tools Lite. Click Free Download to download Utorrent. To download the balanced game torrent, just click on Download this torrent. After downloading with Utorrent, the file should look like that. Extract the file with WinRAR or any extract software that you have. After extracting, you should have a bin file and Q file. Now mount the Q file with Daemon Tools like I did. Now install the game and have fun.